Omulamuzi wa kote nkuru eya Hoima Vincent Opiene atandikire okurra emishango ey'amaani erimu obwisi, okutoroboza, okuhamba, okwibisa ebyisi, okubuzaho abantu hamwe n'endiijo. Okurra emishango egi nikwija kumara okwezi kumwe n'ekicweka.
I would say none of them have been absconding. Everybody has been coming and handling their matters as and when they are required. And even when one person or the other is not around, there's always somebody watching, somebody on step somebody holding me from the hand. So I want to thank you for that cooperation. Let's maintain that level of cooperation. The success of these sessions.
Abakazi 15 aharigana bari omu mishango egi kandi betebekanise kukozesebwa. Omulamuzi Opiene yashaba embaju zoona ez'abatonganirizi hamwe n'abahababi okutebekanisa obujulizi bwabo omu bwire.
If we are to succeed within the 45 days of finish all these matters, there are 73, so 73 divided by 45. You know how many we should try to finish almost in a week so that we will get it out of our way. We need to all observe time.
Thank you for the meeting. Yes, at least you've been here. The next thing, I think I was discussing with somebody and I was telling that person that the High Court is disposing of cases more than the lower court here, especially when it gets to criminal. Thank you so much for the good work.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto ahabwa gacenchiri.